Our ninth example, y is equal to x raised to sin x plus sin x raised to cos x. Here again variable raised to variable and variable raised to variable. So y is equal to u plus v. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So now I will take u is equal to x raised to sin x, variable raised to variable, so we have to take log of x raised to sin x into log x. This will come here. So log u is equal to sin x into log x. So derivation is 1 upon u du by dx is equal to sin x. Log x derivation is 1 upon x plus log x. Sin x derivation is cos x. So du by dx is equal to u into sin x upon x plus cos x into log x. So your answer is x raised to sin x upon x plus cos x into log x. This is my du by dx. Now v is equal to sin x raised to cos x. So log v is equal to log of sin x raised to cos x. This will come ahead. So this is cos x into log of sin x, that is log v. Log v is 1 upon v dv by dx. Derivation of log v is equal to 1 upon v dv by dx. Multiplication rule, first is as it is, derivation of second one 1 upon sin x, and sin x derivation is cos x plus log sin x is as it is, cos x derivation is minus sin x. First function as it is, derivation of this, plus second derivation as it is, derivation of first one. So now your dv by dx is equal to v cos square x upon sin x minus sin x log sin x. So now dv by dx, value of v is this, that is sin x raised to cos x, cos square x upon sin x minus sin x into log sin x. Now this is my equation number 3. This is my equation number 2. These 2 and 3 we have to put value in 1. So now dy by dx is equal to first x raised to sin x upon x plus cos x into log x plus sin x raised to cos x into cos square x upon sin x minus sin x log sin x. This is our answer for question number 9. In this way we can finish variable raised to variable.